Did you know in ERPNext you can use a BOM without actually producing anything? Today I'll show you Phantom BOM using a simple gift box example, and this will change how you design your manufacturing flow. So let's say you're creating a gift box, and inside it you always include a set of items like chocolates and a greeting card. Now the question is, do you really want to manufacture and store this gift kit separately? Most of the time, the answer is no. I've already created the required items to save time. Important point. This gift kit is a non-stock item because we don't want to store it. Now let's create a BOM for the gift kit. Here is the key setting. Enable Phantom BOM. Select Gift Kit. Add chocolate to 10 quantity. Greeting card to 1 quantity. This tells ERPNext, don't manufacture this item. Just treat it as a logical group. Now save the BOM. Now let's create the actual product, gift box. Add items. Gift kit to 1. Packaging box to 1. Normally, this would create a multi-level BOM. But because we used Phantom BOM, things will behave differently. Now let's see the magic in action. Create work order for gift box. Notice something? ERPNext has automatically exploded the Phantom BOM. There is no gift kit here. Only actual raw materials. So basically, Phantom BOM removes one extra manufacturing step. Instead of gift box to gift kit to chocolate plus card, it directly becomes gift box to chocolate plus card. Use Phantom BOM when you don't want intermediate stock, you don't want extra production steps. You just need grouping. Don't use it if you need stock tracking of sub-assembly, separate manufacturing process, WIP tracking. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more real ERPNext use cases.